If making sweet potato hash browns, can I use olive oil to prepare them even though it is a fat? I need a little more direction on the specifics. Thank you for changing our lifestyle for the better. So that's a great question. I think I probably addressed a lot of those questions in what I just said. But you can have any primarily carbohydrate source. If you want to have a bunch of roasted Brussels sprouts as your first meal, go right ahead. If you want to have a salad with just a little spray of olive oil on it as your first meal, go right ahead. If you want to have a sweet potato as your mono meal, go right ahead. The really interesting thing about this is you don't have to be really concerned about whether the starches are resistant, whether they're, for instance, if you want to have pressure cooked basmati rice as your first meal, it'll work just fine. Do I think you ought to have that every day of your life? No, I'm not particularly impressed with the arsenic content of rice, but that's a whole different story. The point is, carbohydrates are really easy to get your arm around.